All right, guys, so about a year ago, I picked up my Chargepoint 50 amp home charger 240 volt deal for my wife's 21 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. And we've had that thing now for, it's been over a year, I would say, and things worked great, no issues. So with our Jeeps, I think they charge at about 32 amps, so they're not even able to use the full 50 amps of the Chargepoint, but the thing's been great. I think it takes an hour and 45 minutes, something like that, to charge our Jeep. No complaints. But a company called Enorigin, who sells their chargers on Amazon, they saw my video, they reached out and said, hey, can we send you one of our chargers? You go ahead, do an unboxing, check it out, do an honest review, see how you like it. Do you want to do it? I said, sure, of course. So this is what they sent us. So let's get this thing unboxed. Let me show you guys what we got. Okay, nice rubber cover. Cool. Bracket for hanging your cord. That's cool. My Chargepoint did not come with that. Now the cord is 23 feet long. So I think that's about the same as the Chargepoint, so that should be good. Instructions, hardware. Tell you what, the unit, that looks really, really nice. About the same size as the Chargepoint. We'll get it over there, we'll sit it next to it, but cable looks good. It's got a little cover, which that's kind of nice too. I don't think my Chargepoint has a cover. I mean, I would probably never put it on anyway, but otherwise, looks like your standard cable. Mounting on the back. So besides having this bracket, which is cool, because let me show you guys what I had to do with my Chargepoint. I've got like a pool hose hanger thing that I just got from, Meijer, Walmart, Home Depot, whatever, and that's what holds it there. But it's cool that it came with a little one. And the other thing that's cool is, as far as the installation goes, it looks like it comes with this template. So literally just smack that on your wall, drill your 3 holes, and boom, you take that little plate, screw that on, and then this unit just slides over the plate. So install would be super duper freaking easy. So that's pretty awesome. Give you all your hardware, all that good stuff. So the first little snafu is the Enorigin comes with a 1450 connector, which is probably cool for a lot of you guys, especially if you're going to be putting in, a new receptacle. But I've already got a 650R receptacle here. So this is what I have with my Chargepoint unit, and this is what I use with my welder. So that's why I have this here, so I can just kind of quickly adapt. So I'm going to have to go ahead and get one of these bad boys ordered off Amazon, and it'll be here tomorrow. Just like that, our little cord from Amazon came in. So got this thing all connected now, just to give you an idea. So this thing kind of blinks yellow, red, green. And let's go ahead, plug in my wife's Jeep here. If I can get it in there. There we go. All right, there we go. Charging her up. All right, so it shows about 2 hours till it's fully charged. So I think that's pretty close. The Chargepoint might be a little bit faster. I'm kind of interested to see. So 2 hours and 7 minutes. Let's see what the Chargepoint says. All right, what does Chargepoint say? Same thing. So 2 hours and 7 minutes. Okay, so it makes sense, right? Because our Jeeps only use 32 amps. So even though the Chargepoint has a maximum of 50 amps, it's only using 32. And then same for this Enorigin, it's only using 32, even though it's capable of 40. So times are exactly the same. So that's cool. There's no reduction. And again, for $300 versus, freaking $750, and we're getting the same charging time, can't beat that. And let's kind of compare the Chargepoint charger to the Enorigin kind of charging port and the cable. So the first thing I noticed, the Chargepoint cable is a little bit skinnier for some reason, but I mean, there's not really a whole lot of difference as far as like the flexibility goes. This one's nice and flexible. Again, it's 23 feet long, the cord, which I think is about the same as the Chargepoint, if I can remember. I can't remember if it's 21 or 23. So let's plug this thing in. So everything feels good. It's got its little certifications or whatever on there, so nice. Ergonomic, all that good stuff. So cool. Yeah, I'd say as far as the cord and the stuff, I mean, it's not really any different than the Chargepoint. Now again, as far as cost goes, you guys, this Enorigin thing is like about $300 off Amazon. And I just looked, the Chargepoint is up to $750. I think it was only $500 or $600 when I bought it like a year and a half ago. And then even some of the other ones like the Juicebox, that bad boy is like $650. So really, really expensive for these things. So, you know, this thing works well. I mean, its quality seems nice. It looks nice. Geez, save the money. So again, just kind of a side-by-side Chargepoint versus the other dude. The other dude kind of has this extra piece of plastic right there. Not sure if that really will help, you know, maybe keep it from breaking or keep weather out of it. I don't know. But you can see my Chargepoint's got about a year and a half of use. I leave it outside just like this all year long, winter, rain, shine, all that stuff, and, you know, still holding up good. You can see some corrosion, but still works fine. All right, guys, so we've used the Enorigin charger on both of our Jeeps, my 2022 and my wife's 2021, and everything's been just fine. Charges up, no problem, no error codes, no issues, and it takes about 2 hours, like I showed you in the previous clip. So I would say I would definitely recommend this thing. I mean, if you don't have any kind of incentives from your local utility companies, like we did when we first got our Chargepoint charger, our local utility company, I think they gave us like $500 off. So at that time, it pretty much paid for the Chargepoint charger entirely. But if your state doesn't offer that, then you know, you've got to pony out your hard-earned cash. I would highly recommend to have a look at this Enorigin charger. It looks good, $300. Can't beat it. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. If you're looking at a charger for your new Jeep Wrangler 4xe, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll catch you guys on the next one.